Meaning of humanitarian.
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 Humanitarian. The term humanitarian refers to actions or activities that aim to alleviate suffering and promote the well-being of humans, particularly those affected by natural disasters, armed conflicts, or other humanitarian crises. These actions often involve providing aid, such as food, water, and shelter, as well as medical care and other forms of assistance to those in need. Humanitarian efforts are typically driven by a desire to help others and are often carried out by governments, non-governmental organizations, NGOs, and other actors in the international community. Ultimately, the goal is to promote the dignity, safety, and rights of all people.